kids, looking for something new, cool, and fun? Hey parents, looking for something cheap to keep your kids entertained? Well, look no further, because Mattel Toy Co. presents Chester the Stalkin talking battery-operated puppy. Just add 36 AA batteries and Chester comes to life.
Cool, Chester knows my name.
Hello, Daniel.
Chester, you're such a good doggy.
I'll never leave your side, Daniel.
Aww.
Chester follows you everywhere.
Hello, Daniel.
Chester, you shouldn't be here.
Oh, sorry. You gonna finish that peanut butter sandwich, Daniel? Huh, Daniel?
Chester, you shouldn't be here.
Oh, sorry. We meet again, Daniel.
Chester, stop following me home, you sick dog, you!
Come here, Daniel. Daniel, come here. Daniel, love me, Daniel. Daniel, why won't you love me? Daniel.
Kids will just love Chester the Stalkin talking battery-operated puppy. 36 AA batteries required, but sold separately. Made in China with lead paint.